Is there a difference between a boy and a man? If so, what is that difference? Tell us. Any of you.
Test, test. First and foremost, I would like to say I am so excited to be here today. I'm in the presence of many, many queens. So give yourself a round of applause for coming out.
We concur. Thank you.
Who here came with either their mom, their mentor, or an older sister? Awesome. Maybe give them a round of applause. We can have So what is the difference between a boy and a man? You can ask that question on Google. Okay. All right.
I'm asking you.
You're asking me? Okay. So there's many boys. You see these boys all the time. You see them on Facebook, you see them on Snapchat, you see them on Instagram, you see them in music videos, you see them everywhere. You even see these boys masquerading as men. They're wearing men's clothes, speaking a man's language, but inside they're boys. Why? Because they don't respect women. Because they think that the value of a woman is found not in their mind, but somewhere else. So there's a huge difference between a boy and a man, and they're going to be proud of it.